Okay, so this is the China robot and this is the Tesla robot. Honestly, we still don't know who would win if they ever got into some sort of martial arts showdown, but Optimus Gen 5 was mentioned by Elon Musk, and it can now cook almost like a real person, preparing a full meal in around 2 hours. And this is only the early stage of what it can eventually do. That's not even the biggest surprise, because this robot can also help humans with doing laundry, something that the Chinese robot will probably need another 10 years or more to handle smoothly. The Tesla bot has gone through many design updates over time, and several improved generations have been built. Gen 5 is the most advanced version so far, and is the model Tesla aims to mass produce at the largest scale, something Elon Musk has confirmed many times.
We'll do Optimus 4, that'll be, 10 million units. Optimus 5, maybe 50 to 100 million units. I mean, it's really pretty nutty.
Soon, anyone will be able to buy an Optimus robot to take care of daily chores at home, and you could even ask it to give you a massage. Some people might be doubtful, but the usefulness of the Tesla bot Gen 5 is very real, and it has already proven it can do incredible tasks before even being released to customers. So how strong or capable will the Tesla bot Gen 5 become, and will these robots replace many human jobs? Here is what Elon Musk himself has confirmed so far. Recently, Musk emphasized again on X that Optimus will help get rid of poverty and allow everyone to have a kind of universal high income. This is not the first time he has made such a statement, because at an event just last week, he again talked about the insane abilities of this humanoid robot.
But actually, Optimus will actually eliminate poverty. Optimus will actually give people incredible medical care.
Now, imagine a robot helping you with cleaning your home, cooking meals, and even watching your kids. Many people's first reaction might be to fire their housekeeper because the robot can do the same job without needing rest. And this is exactly why some workers already dislike the arrival of Optimus. Musk openly admitted this problem on X, saying that AI and robots will replace all jobs, and working will become optional, like choosing to grow your own vegetables even though stores already sell them. Even though the Tesla bot Gen 5 is not officially launched yet, the fact that it can already replace humans in several jobs is something Musk never denies. Even a chef's work may be taken over by Optimus because the robot has proven it can cook in a very short amount of time, just 2 hours during the test in Palo Alto. Cooking is a major test for any robot because it requires perfect coordination between movement, perception, precision, timing, and practical thinking. Of course, the Tesla bot does not have a human brain, and its hands are not exactly as flexible as a human's. That is why cooking is such a difficult test. If the robot cannot hold or peel an egg without breaking it by accident, then the whole task fails. Making even a simple fried egg involves a long chain of actions like opening the fridge, identifying the right ingredients, picking up the egg gently, turning on the stove, adjusting the heat, and pouring the cooking oil. It is a complex multi-step procedure. While Optimus Gen 3 could only hold an egg softly, Optimus Gen 5 is already able to use a frying pan, crack the egg, cook it, and take it out at the perfect moment. This is extremely close to human-level skill. To reach this ability, Musk explained that the team trained Optimus for as long as possible, pushing the robot to reach the highest accuracy they could. They tried to reduce errors almost to zero. Because of this extended training, the number of tasks Optimus can perform increased from 3,000 to 6,000 in the Gen 5 version, almost double what Gen 3 could handle. This huge rise in tasks also happens because of Optimus' brain, which Musk says is more like a real brain than a traditional computer. With Gen 5, Optimus can watch a YouTube tutorial about cooking or cleaning and then train itself billions of times inside a virtual world. After mastering the movements in simulation, it applies the skill smoothly in the real world. This kind of learning means that Optimus can be programmed to cook entire meals, allowing humans to come home after a long day and be served like they have a personal chef. It truly transfers household burdens away from the human. Beside cooking, Optimus' ability to do laundry is one of the clearest examples of its intelligence in a real living space. Laundry isn't only about strength, it requires thinking and careful judgment. First, Optimus must sort dirty clothes correctly. This is tricky because the robot uses its advanced AI vision to identify colors, fabric types, and levels of dirt, so that white clothes don't get stained or delicate fabrics don't get ruined. Even humans make mistakes here. After sorting, the robot uses its extremely precise Gen 5 hands to grab clothes and put them in the washing machine with just the right grip, not too tight or too soft. Then it must measure the correct amount of detergent or softener depending on how many clothes there are and pick up the right bottle from the shelf. When the wash cycle ends, Optimus must open the machine door, lift out the heavy wet clothes, and place them into the dryer or hang them up. This takes strength and balance. But the hardest step is folding the laundry. Folding requires delicate movements because every shirt and every pair of pants comes out differently. Optimus needs to identify what type of clothing it is holding, decide how to fold it, smooth it out, and complete the folding motion carefully. What helps Optimus succeed is its ability to learn by watching videos. It can watch a tutorial on how to fold a dress shirt and then apply that knowledge correctly. The fact that Optimus can complete the full laundry cycle, from sorting to folding and putting clothes away, shows that it can save families hours of boring chores every week. Elon Musk said that the scale of Optimus will be unbelievable. He believes it will become the biggest product ever made by any company, even bigger than smartphones. During Tesla's shareholder meeting, he repeated that Optimus will be the greatest product in history. He predicts that, within a few decades, everyone on the planet will want their own personal robot, similar to characters like R2-D2 or C-3PO from Star Wars, but smarter, more helpful, and more human-like. These Tesla robots will not only clean, cook, or carry things, they will also assist in medical surgery with extremely high accuracy, beyond what humans can do. Musk said Optimus will be able to outperform even the best surgeon. He believes this robot could remove poverty and bring top-level healthcare to everyone. This is Musk's biggest ambition, using technology to save the world, not just to make money. Tesla plans to manufacture Optimus in much larger quantities than electric cars. For Gen 5 alone, they are preparing for up to 100 million units. Musk said that most of the raw materials required to build Optimus already exist inside Tesla's factories, and Tesla has already spoken to suppliers for the remaining parts. Tesla cars are basically four-wheeled robots that already drive themselves. The Cybercab robotaxi is the biggest example. Tesla vehicles already have batteries, motors, electronics, gears systems, connectivity, AI vision, computer chips, and a full autonomous fleet management system. These are the same components needed for a humanoid robot. Musk says that Tesla is actually the world's biggest robot manufacturer right now. Optimus is basically a robot that just trades wheels for legs and arms. But Musk admits that there are three huge challenges that stop other companies from making robots as capable as Optimus: engineering advanced arms and hands, developing real-world artificial intelligence, and building robots at a massive scale. The human hand is extremely complex, with many degrees of freedom and a set of muscles and tendons that make it powerful yet gentle. Optimus version 2.5 already shows big improvements with smoother curves, covered joints, and a friendlier appearance. It even has xAI's Grow voice assistant built in, so the robot can answer questions with natural speech, which older versions could not do. But Musk says 2.5 is still far from the best. Optimus Gen 5 will be the major breakthrough. This new version focuses on expanding all the useful tasks it can perform, especially cooking and cleaning. The battery has also been improved so the robot can work for 15 hours straight after charging for just 1 hour. Musk is confident that Optimus Gen 5 will be able to cook breakfast and dinner, clean the home, and do laundry just like a full-time household helper. With its ability to learn through imitation, Optimus might complete up to 100 extended tasks every single day. Tesla has invested a huge amount of effort into improving the robot's brain and its arms, because Musk said building a pair of truly dexterous hands is the hardest part. And making thousands or millions of such hands is even harder. The human hand is an amazing result of evolution with more than 27 degrees of freedom and a huge amount of flexibility. If we want to build a robot hand that can match this level of precision and strength, the engineering challenge becomes enormous. To build a truly flexible and useful robot, the issue of the robotic hand has to be solved completely. This is the exact point where most other robotics companies fall short. They can design machines that run fast, jump, or even throw strong punches, but they still cannot make a hand that can peel an orange gently or rinse vegetables under flowing water. As we said earlier, Tesla testing Optimus with real cooking tasks inside an actual kitchen is the final and most difficult test. It demands smooth cooperation between skillful robotic hands, smart reasoning, and fast real-time coordination. Even preparing a simple dish requires the robot to open the fridge, identify the ingredients, switch on the stove, remember the steps of the recipe, and keep track of the timing so nothing burns or cooks unevenly. The robotic arms Tesla uses in its factories can weld the frames of cars with impressive accuracy and speed, but they only work well in fixed environments where everything is pre-programmed. Place them in a changing, unpredictable kitchen, and they become nearly useless. This is the barrier Optimus Gen 5 must finally cross. Elon Musk has said many times that Optimus will eventually become more capable than the most skilled human surgeon, with a level of precision humans simply cannot reach. He explained that one of the biggest problems facing the world's healthcare systems isn't money or buildings. It's the shortage of medical professionals, especially highly trained surgeons. Even rich nations face this serious lack of experts. From this observation, Musk suggested a bold idea: mass-producing extremely precise surgical robots to remove this limitation entirely. Once Optimus reaches full factory-scale production like any other Tesla machine, millions of identical robots could roll out of production lines and be deployed in hospitals across the globe at the same time. According to Musk, The Gen 5 version of Optimus has the potential to handle any medical procedure, even operations so complicated that humans simply cannot perform them. Because these robots would have excellent steadiness and accuracy, the healthcare industry could grow at a much faster rate, similar to how manufacturing expanded during the Industrial Revolution. This could achieve something human labor alone could never deliver. Musk believes such a shift will make access to high-quality medical treatment universal, not something limited by wealth or location. Instead of spending many years training a top-level doctor, hospitals could simply deploy robots that are programmed to operate safely and without making errors. Even though Optimus is still early in its development and currently cannot perform actual medical operations, Musk keeps pointing out that rapid advances in AI and robotics are bringing this huge vision closer than many expect. However, with all the advantages Tesla bot promises to bring, there is one major concern Musk has spoken about very openly. He has raised the issue of safety and security for robots before they are released widely. He understands that introducing a machine that can move, handle objects, and make decisions into everyday human spaces is extremely complicated. Musk has often said that building a humanoid robot is not simply about speed or showing cool abilities. It's about guaranteeing that the robot never harms people under any circumstances. In his talks and interviews, he consistently stresses the need for dependable safety systems. These include features like almost instant emergency stop functions, limits on physical force so it cannot injure anyone, and very sensitive sensors that detect humans and avoid contact. The idea is that Optimus must always follow a strict human-first protection rule, even if the software glitches or misreads a command. Musk has also explained something interesting. If one robot learns how to cook, then all Optimus robots can cook. This is because information learned by one unit is shared with the entire fleet. This is a huge advantage, but also a very serious concern for users and regulators. Why? Because once millions of robots are connected and have access to sensitive places like factories, hospitals, or private homes, the danger of cyber attacks grows dramatically. One hacked robot could cause serious physical damage, invade private spaces, or be used for harmful purposes. Therefore, Tesla must build extremely strong security systems. Musk understands that the AI running Optimus must be protected with advanced encryption layers and strict permission systems to prevent unauthorized entry. Security doesn't only apply to how the robot is controlled, it also applies to the protection of the data it gathers daily. For example, Optimus might accidentally reveal patient health records, personal family information, or confidential company data. That would be a serious problem. This is why ensuring privacy, data protection, and data integrity is absolutely essential. And then, of course, there is the constant discussion, will Tesla bot take away jobs? To be honest, the fact that Tesla's humanoid robot is getting closer to becoming a real commercial product has raised major debates about the future of jobs. People understandably worry that Optimus might replace human workers in tasks that are repetitive or require few skills. The truth is that Optimus is designed to take over tasks that are heavy, risky, boring, or unpleasant for humans. A robot that can work non-stop without getting tired and can complete jobs with high accuracy is extremely attractive for businesses trying to cut costs and increase efficiency. With its advanced intelligence and ability to learn and improve over time, Optimus is a strong candidate to replace millions of low-skill jobs worldwide. Companies will absolutely invest in this. But looking at the full picture, the arrival of Optimus also brings new opportunities for work and ways to improve human potential. As in previous industrial revolutions, automation doesn't destroy jobs, it transforms them. For millions of Optimus robots to operate smoothly, an entire new industry must grow around them. This will require thousands of AI engineers, robotics specialists, security professionals, robot maintenance technicians, and robot supervisors. These types of jobs require higher skills and offer better pay. Many experts believe that Optimus could free humans from dull and dangerous tasks, letting people focus on creative work and thinking-based jobs, areas where robots are still far behind and likely will be for a long time. Musk even wrote on X, which we mentioned earlier, that working will become optional, similar to how some people enjoy growing their own vegetables even though they can easily buy food at the store. With Tesla's experience producing millions of cars each year, its powerful AI team working on full self-driving, and its huge factory automation systems, Tesla is the only company that has all three needed ingredients for success in humanoid robotics. This is something competitors like Boston Dynamics, XPeng, or Unitree still do not have on the same level. Many analysts think Musk is purposely creating a new standard that competitors, especially fast-growing Chinese robotics companies, will have trouble catching up to. While many other humanoid robots still struggle with smooth walking or basic hand control, Tesla has positioned Optimus as a highly capable helper ready to work in both homes and factories. The success of Optimus Gen 5 in performing complex everyday tasks shows that Tesla has solved key challenges in durability, accuracy, and decision-making in real environments. This supports Musk's vision of eventually deploying millions of Optimus units in homes and workplaces, starting a new era of large-scale robot use and cementing Tesla's lead in the global humanoid robot race. So in the end, what do you personally think about humanoid robots like Optimus? Do you feel excited or worried? Would you allow a robot to cook for you or clean your home? Thanks a lot for watching and spending your time with us. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to AutoFusion for more technology updates. Share your thoughts in the comments. We would love to know which robot feature you find the most exciting or which one concerns you the most. See you again in the next video.